This is why we do reliability-centered maintenance. I'm Nancy Regan, and I'm on my way to Santiago, Chile, to present an RCM case study at the Congress of Maintenance and Reliability. So this is an excellent opportunity to talk about why we do RCM, because I'm living it right now. Here's what I mean. I live over an hour away from the Huntsville, Alabama airport, which is where I am right now. So I left my house at 7:30 in the morning to get here at least 2 hours before my flight, just in case there were any issues along the way. It would leave me some time.
It's Nancy from the future. I'm in Houston at the airport lounge on my 7-hour layover, and I just wanted to make the connection that issues along the way on this trip in real life, translated into reliability-centered maintenance lingo, would be failure modes or specific causes of failure. For example, one thing I wanted to be able to manage was any delays of my flight out of Huntsville that would cause me to miss my flight from Houston to Chile.
I'm also taking a flight out of Huntsville that gets me into Houston, and I have a 7-hour layover. But the reason I did that is Huntsville, Alabama is notorious for delays, so if I wait and take the next flight and there's something wrong with that, I'll miss my connection in Houston to Chile. And if I miss that flight, it's an overnight flight. I will get there the whole next day, and it'll just mess up my whole itinerary. And I need to make sure that I arrive so I have enough time to be fresh and prepared to present. So how does this all tie into RCM? And it is because of this. Reliability-centered maintenance, the point of doing it, the essence of RCM, as my mentor John Mowbray said, is managing the consequences of failure. See, I have no control over whether or not a flight is delayed or if there are mechanical problems or anything like that. The only thing I'm in control of is doing what I can do to make sure I manage those consequences. That's why I left my house early to get here 2 hours before my flight. So there you have it. The essence of reliability-centered maintenance is managing the consequences of failure. As responsible custodians, as reliability professionals, our job is not to prevent all failures, but rather manage the consequences of failure. And that's what I'm doing by being as early as I am. If you're going to be at the conference in Chile and you see me, please stop and say hello. And in the meantime, I will be back with more videos because this trip is chock full of reliability examples. I'm Nancy Regan. Thank you for watching.